Mind is image, there is the righteous soul, no image, and there is no. So mind is divergence, limitless. Righteous soul is convergence, one per limitless. Mind limitless, divergence, wicked souls. Mind one per limitless, convergence, righteous souls. Divergence is huge in numbers. Convergence is zero. So that minds after wicked soul is divergence. People minds, righteous soul is convergence, one per limitless. As you see, red arrow lines in the limitless divergence and green arrow lines convergence to the zero. So if a living is keep divergence, then loudly and dirty image. This is compared with inside. If you see in your minds, inside there is occupied the burnt residues like bad thinkings, insult, wrong, and dismissed me. All over is not perfect burnt residues remaining. That is minds. So these minds, greedy minds, getting much more than others, so they automatically connect to the divergence of limitless. As divergence is keep wider, it means that can't get conclusions. Without conclusions, keep wider, keep loudly and dirty. But people minds, there is no any image inside. There is no minds. So the inside and silence and clear of creation of knowledge. As creation of knowledge means convergence, zero. Convergence is conclusions. But divergence, there is no conclusions. Convergence is conclusions. It is. Divergence is mind is limitless. Convergence, mind is one per limitless. As that, mind is limitless. Best place is wicked souls. Mind is one per limitless. Best place is righteous souls. Righteous souls is convergence, one per limitless of zero. Zero is silence and clears. Divergence, limitless, is not zero. So it's not silence clear, rather than louder and dirty. In the louder and dirty, can't hear broadcasting. Convergence zero, silence clear, can hear broadcasting from righteous living destination place. In the divergence, mind is expanded, louder and dirty places can't hear from righteous living destination places radio broadcastings. Here's radio broadcasting is same content, 1,000 years, 3,000 years before, now. Righteous soul living destination places broadcasting is. Righteous soul living in destination created righteous soul, and in the living the macro concept world, and then again separately return to the righteous soul living destination place. So to help this, keep signaling, keep broadcasting to the righteous souls. So only the broadcasting, hearing righteous stories, mind is convergence, on perimeters of convergence. Silence, clean, clear of creation of knowledge. In this creation of knowledge is righteous living destination place, broadcasting contents. So that we must know that mind after wicked souls, mind before righteous souls. Mind after is divergence, limitless. Mind before righteous soul is convergence on limitless. Mind limited divergence wicked souls. Mind one limitless convergence righteous souls. Thank you very much.